From the moment we open our eyes in the morning, we are greeted by a whole bunch of shapes that vary in sizes and colors. When we look at ourselves in the mirror, we can see that our faces are composed of various shapes that are either symmetrical or asymmetrical. So, what are the basic shapes that we need to be familiar of? Hey study buddies, my name is Reine, and for our lesson today, we are here at the museum to discuss the basic shapes that we see around us. Shapes. Shapes are the outer surface or external form of an object. It can also be described as the outline of an area or figure. The first shape is a circle. It is defined as a two-dimensional, round-shaped figure having no corners or edges. In geometry, a circle is the locus of all points that are equidistant from a central point. Here are the following examples of a circle. The moon, donut, and a clock are all circular in shape. The tire, plate, and magnifying glass are also objects that are examples of a circle. For the next shape, we have the semicircle. Basically, it is the half of the circumference of a circle. Which means that if you perfectly slice the circle down to its diameter or the straight line that passed through the circle, then you will achieve this shape. A cup, protractor, and a slice of watermelon are all semicircular in shape. We can also consider this chair, cap, and a slice of orange as examples of a semicircle. Next up, we have an oblong. An oblong is simply an elongated shape. Here are the following examples of an oblong: avocado, bread, and footlong. We can also include an egg, spoon, and balloon in the list of the objects that are oblong in shape. The fourth shape is a triangle, which is a closed two-dimensional shape that has three sides and angles. It is also defined as a polygon, having edges and vertices that are equivalent to 3. A pizza, triangle, and tent are objects that are triangular in shape. We can also add a roof, volcano, and road cone. Pop quiz! Now let us test your understanding. Which of the following objects is similar to a triangle? If you answered a slice of pizza, then you got that right. What object is similar to a circle? The answer to the question is a plate. Let us go back to the lesson. Moving on, we have a square. A square is a plane figure with 4 straight sides having the same length and 4 right angles. The following objects are examples of a square: a pillow, window, and a box. Included in the list are sticky notes, handkerchief, and chessboard. The sixth shape is a rectangle, which is a quadrilateral figure. It can also be defined as a two-dimensional figure containing 4 straight sides and 4 right angles. A piano keyboard, television, and notebook are objects that have rectangular shape. Included in the list are microwave oven, mobile phone, and refrigerator. Parallelogram. This shape is considered as a special type of quadrilateral. A parallelogram contains four straight sides wherein its opposite sides are parallel. The examples are this building, eraser, and the design of this tile. We also have a trapezoid, which is a quadrilateral with no parallel sides. A trapezoid is a flat shape containing four straight sides having a pair of opposite sides parallel to each other. These objects are examples of a trapezoid: a structure, bag, and a table. Let's move on to the next shape. A diamond is a special type of parallelogram because all of its sides are equal. It also looks like a rhombus. Now, let's go to the examples. A ring, the figure in this card, and the outline of this road sign are all examples of a diamond. Pop quiz alert! What object has a parallelogram shape? If you selected this eraser, then you are right. Which of the following objects is similar to a rectangle? If your answer is a piano keyboard, then that's correct. Now, let's proceed to our lesson. Star. A star is a shape containing 5 points. These are the following examples of a star: starfish, medal, and a trophy. For the next shape, we have a heart. It is pointed in one end and its opposite sides are inverted or curved. A balloon, pillow, and bag all have a heart shape. We can also include this padlock, t-shirt pattern, and keychain in the examples. Moving on, we have a crescent, which looks like a half moon or an arc shape. A crescent is somewhat round in shape, and it is used to represent the lunar phase in the first quarter. The examples include a telephone, anchor, and moon. We also have the handle of this basket, bow, and arc as objects that have a crescent shape. A cross. It is a figure consisting of two intersecting lines or bars. These are the examples: an X mark, crucifix, and the design on top of this crown. We also have the cross in the rosary, sword, and a pendant in the list of examples. Lastly, we have an arrow, which is used to indicate a direction. An arrow is a wedge at one end and a triangle at another. The arrows in the clock, weather vane, and cursor are some examples of an arrow shape. Are you ready for the final pop quiz? Choose the two objects that are star in shape. Time's up! If you selected the medal and the starfish, then great job! Which of the following objects is similar to a crescent? The correct answer is the anchor. What object has a cross shape? Great job! The answer is this pendant. So those are the shapes that we need to be familiar of. Isn't it amazing? See you soon in the next video. Bye, study buddies! If you want to watch more of our videos, click here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.